Malakapsul Hotel ang datingan, pero hindi ito sa Japan, kundi makikita lang ito sa Pilipinas. Ito ang agaw atensyong Royal Class Sleeper Bus ng isang bus company na biyaheng Cubao hanggang Cagayan o Baguio. Kaya ang turistang si Ellen, excited nang magpabook at masakyan ang nasabing bus. Kaya deadma lang ito sa pamasahing 1,500 pesos.
Thank you Victory for giving us this kind of travel para mas convenient and syempre may travel experience.
Sa nasabing halaga, kada pasahero ay mayroong reclining bed na may seatbelt, charging port, traveling kit at kung gusto mapag-isa, pwedeng gamitin ang kurtina. Ang nasabing bus ay kayang magsakay ng 28 pasahero at mayroon itong security features. Kaya ang TV host and vlogger na si Karen Bordador hindi nagdalawang isip na subukan ito.
Sobrang honored kami to be one of the first and we really felt like royalty. As in, from the stewardess till how we were treated as we entered here in this bus. Parang red carpet ang dating talaga. As in, premium na premium yung treatment sa lahat. For everyone that entered here, we felt like we were being cared for. Extra talaga eh. And the ride was so smooth. You know, laying down here, we didn't feel the drive.
Ang pagpapasinay sa nasabing bus ay parte ng pagdiriwang ng ika-78 anibersaryo ng nasabing bus company.
We're first of its kind, first in the Philippines, take note, first in the Philippines ng capsule type na hotel type na sleeper bus. This is first in the Philippines.
Tatagdagan po natin yan. So, for now, nag-start po kami sa 10 units. Pero by next year, so, part naman yan sa aming plans and program. No? So, siyempre, ang gusto lang namin is to address the customer satisfaction and the safety of safety.
Sa ngayon ay mayroon silang 10 unit ng sleeper bus. 3 dito ay tatakbo sa rutang Cubao to Baguio habang ang 7 naman ay tatakbo sa rutang Cubao hanggang Tuguig, Arao City. Aarangkada ang unang biyahe nito sa ika-23 ng Oktubre.
Good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our bus driver, Mr. Camacho, I am Nesting, your bus steward. Welcome aboard Victor Liner Royal Class bound to Cubao.
Jose Robert Invinto para sa Luzon Headlines.